Hey sales seekers, my name is Tamara and I am a full-time reseller of vintage and unique items, and I list 10 new things every single day in my eBay shop, my Mercari, and my Poshmark, and here is how I do it. I start the day by going through my death pile. Now, a lot of this stuff has been in here for a minute, so I take pictures to make sure they're going to be worth it before putting it up on eBay. These guys weren't really worth it, so they ended up in my garage sale box. Next, I picked up this set of salt and pepper shakers. These super cute frogs on a lily pad. Looked them up on eBay. They're selling for about $10 to $15 with the lily pad, so I figured I'd give it a go. Right here, what I'm doing is I'm front loading all of that information into eBay. I'm putting in the description. I'm putting in all of the item specifics. I'm putting in the shipping information. I'm writing everything out so that I am ready to get these listed once I've got a photo of them. You can see here everything is ready. I've got a title, I've got a category, I've got all of the item specifics, I've written a description, I've put in the pricing, how much shipping is, and make sure you change your preferences to immediate payment and then save it for later. Now I'm going to take photos. Make sure you set up good lights so that you can see whatever it is that you're taking photos of. Mine needed to be cleaned, so I got to make sure I wipe those down because you don't want dirty photos. So I get it all wiped down. Next, you want to arrange them so they're so cute in your photos. You want to get a photo from all angles. I get lots of photos of all of the things, front and back. Also, make sure that you have a measuring tape so that you can show people all of the measurements. You want to provide as much information as you can in your photos. I really believe photos can sell a product. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my photos and put them into this app that I have called Photo Room. This is a great app because I can just upload my raw photos. It cuts out the background, puts in a nice background for me, and then all I have to do is go in and adjust my photos, make them larger, add a little light if I need to, change the angle. Now you can see where I've got all of my measurements. You can see all of the different sides of the salt and pepper shakers along with my measuring tape. Once you're done with this, then at the end you can click export and then you're done. Go into eBay, open up your drafted listing, and put in your photos. Easy peasy. I like to make sure that my measurement photos are at the bottom and all of my other photos are at the top. Now you can scroll down and hit list your item. Once my item is done, I've got to go into my laptop. I open it up and log into Flyp. This is where I import from eBay and then cross-post my listing to both Mercari and to Poshmark. If you want more information on this process, let me know and I can make you a whole tutorial video on how Flyp works. It is wonderful, it is inexpensive, it is so easy to use, and I recommend it to everybody. If you're cross-posting on several platforms, this is it. And that's it. Usually what I will do is front load all of the information ahead of time for all 10 listings. Then I will take photos for all 10 listings. Then I will edit the photos for all 10 listings. Then it's easy to just go in, upload my photos, and off I go. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I love talking to you guys. And remember, if you're not listing it, it's not making you any money. Get out there and make some cash.